everyone, welcome back to CyberTech Experiment, your one-stop guide to tech tutorials regarding cloud computing, cyber security, and various tech techniques. Okay, here we have started our new brand journey towards AWS, right? And today we are going to see the practical demonstration of IAM users. Okay, that is identity and access management. Uh, So we will go step by step and create an IAM user, assign permissions, and also discuss the best security practices upon it. So if you are learning AWS, so this is a must-know topic in AWS cloud computing. So let's dive in. Before before going to use this IAM service, let's talk about what is this and why we need this, right? So IAM stands for, as you know, IAM stands for Identity and Access Management, right? It is a service that lets you securely control access to your AWS resources. It helps you to manage who can log in to your AWS account, that is multiple users which you are assigned based on their role and need, right? That is what they can do, right? Permissions and policies that will be assigned to that user IAM user. So it will be helping to restrict their users, okay? And how they authenticate, like multi-factor authentication, multiple two-factor authentication, and other credential authentication systems, okay? So by default AWS gives you a root user, that is as we have seen, we have created a AWS account, that is root user, okay? And but it is too powerful and not advisable to daily use, right? So that's why we create IAM users to safer and control access to our account, right? So why let's discuss why do we need IAM users. Our AWS account is like our master key to your house, right? And we will never want to hand it over to your intern, right? So here we that's why we use IAM users to assign only required permissions, so through IAM users, and through it we avoid security risk of our permission accounts, right? And it can be track who does what using AWS, right? So in AWS there is a CloudTrail. CloudTrail is a monitoring system provided by AWS services, AWS, okay? That help us to track what does which user accessing which kind of services, and what they have to permit, right? So okay, you can refer this document. I will share the link in description, so you can access it, okay? So let's dive to practical, okay? Let's see an live demo to creating an IAM user, okay? To create IAM user, just simply go to your favorite browser and type AWS console. Click on very first link, and here sign in option is there. Click on this and it will redirect us to this login page, okay? So by default my root user so here it is IAM users sign in. By default this login screen will be redirect. Here is two options is there. Through IAM user you can log in, and second option is using sign in using your root user email. So it is not recommended to use your root user for daily use, right? So we use IAM user. I have created my IAM user, so let me log in using that, okay? So let's do it. Okay, I have signed in, okay? You should sign in using your root account, okay? Okay, after login, let's create an IAM user now, okay? So come here, this search for IAM. Here it is, IAM services there, okay? And one thing is here, IAM user is for not for any region specific. It is for all complete. It has a global access, okay? So don't worry about any region specific security restrictions, okay? So here we are on IAM dashboard, okay? So to create IAM user, we have to go with wait a moment. If you redirect to this kind of page, since I have created my one user already, so just 1 minute. And here Let's create another to create a IAM user. Click on this create user, okay, and you have to give its name. You can give it on your preference, okay. So I will give it as cyber tech x, okay, cyber tech x, and check check in this option, okay, checkbox, check in the checkbox, okay. So it will give AWS management console, okay, access to AWS management console, and here we want to create IAM user, right? So click on this, and here there are two options to create for your IAM user account. There is a password will be generated. Always go with this custom password, okay. So based on, you can give it here, these are the criteria. Based on that you have to give set the password. That is 8 characters long, must be password must be 8 characters long, and it has mixed character types. It should be uppercase, lowercase, numbers, symbols, and hyphens you may add, okay. So let me give the password, okay, given password, and here this checkbox is must, okay. Users must create a new password at next sign in recommended. What this mean? Whenever you sign in, whenever you sign in first time, when you log in first time using IAM user using this account CyberTechX, right? Whatever you give a name, okay. So after giving this password, it will redirect it to change the password window, and there you can change that password, right? Okay. So let me guide you again, okay. After come to IAM, okay, IAM service, right? If you don't get it anywhere, you can search here, okay. uh, in IAM dashboard, go to users, and in users create user option is there. After click on this creating user, here in username you have to specify the username name, right? Okay, you can give it on your preference, right? Okay, based on the user role, okay. Like a developer, tester, coder, right? This kind of roles are there, but I have given cyber techniques. You can give it on your preference, okay. Check in this checkbox, and give a custom password, and check in this checkbox, and rest of settings will be by default, okay. Click on next, and here we have to set permissions. That is adding user adding user to existing group and create a new one, and user groups are best practice to manage, right? And here we can assign different group and copy permissions with already manage permissions, okay. So we have to set permissions, right? So if you okay, that it will be risky for you, so go with we will go with this copy permissions, right? Okay, come with this. To set permissions, we will go with this attaching the policies that are previously available, right? By default available with different services or permissions, okay. These two options, remaining two options, we will see in next upcoming videos, okay. So go with these already available permissions, okay. So if you want to give here are different permissions and policies are there, based on your preferences. You can give it to different access and to your user, okay. So here different access analyzer, service role, administrator access. This access is for standard user, same as root user, just it is IAM user, and that will be the root user. Just this difference is there, okay. And different okay, let's talk about EC2. If this user if this user is would have access to EC2 only, so you can give it different EC2 related permissions, okay. So in this way you can assign different permissions based on your own setup, okay. So I am giving it as administrator access, okay, and click on next. So here what options and settings we have given to the CyberTechX IAM user. Here we have given name it as a CyberTechX. We use custom password, and it will require to password reset after first login, and these options should be yes, okay. And we have given two user permissions, that is administrator access and IAM user change password option, right? And we will skip the stack, okay, and click on this create user. It will take some time based on your internet connection, and it will create IAM user based on your policy and name attachment, right? Okay, so here it is very important step is here. Copy this password first. If you forgot it, it will be very risky to recover, right? So and download this .csv file where all this link and username and password will be stored, okay. So let's download it, and it will be save it all the credential, okay. So click on, we will see the users. Here two users are there, right? I have created this first time, and here this is new one, okay. So let's sign out and sign in using this CyberTechX, okay. So let's try. Let me sign it out, okay. Let's try to sign in using the please try to log in using IAM user which I have created along with me, okay. So I have given, this is my root user account ID, right? AWS account ID in which this IAM user I have created recently, right? The CyberTechX, and password I have given, okay. Click on sign in, and it will redirect us to a reset where we have check out that option for resetting the password, right? So give this old one password for changing that, okay. Give it, and give a new password for login. This and confirm, and here I have reset password successfully. Then again it will redirect to sign in login, okay. And here I have successfully signed in using this CyberTechX account, right? In this way we have successfully create IAM user, set permissions, and create IAM user, and login using this IAM user account, right? So in this way we have to create IAM user, and we can use this IAM user instead of using root user for daily use, right? Okay. So if you get any error or any doubt, or if you stuck anywhere in the creating IAM user process, please do comment it. I will reply definitely, okay. uh, 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 let's quickly go over some best practice you must follow when working with IAM, identity and access management service, in real world projects. uh, I will share some tips with you to that will be the best practice while working on real world projects, right? That is never use your root user for regular operations. That will be very high risky, right? And always enable multi-factor authentication on root user and IAM accounts. That will save security practice. Follow the at least privilege principles. Only give necessary permissions based on the role that will be that user will be assigned, right? And regularly rotate access keys, okay. That will be the best practice, security practice. Use your IAM roles for apps and services instead of hard-coded credentials. Uh, that will be very high risky to get tempered or eavesdropping compromisation. And use CloudTrail to monitor user activity. CloudTrail is what? CloudTrail is a monitoring system service that provided by AWS to keep track of all services access. Okay, so let's see for CloudTrail. Okay. And you can also use this AWS config and IAM access analyzer to audit policies and catch security misconfigurations, which is one step ahead security practice while using AWS services. This is AWS CloudTrail. It is for continuously log your AWS account activity. whichever AWS services you are going to access using different user IAM users and standard users. Okay, whatever activity that taken by that user, everything will be logged to this AWS cloud activity, continuously monitoring by this log activity services, right? It captures stores at 10. We can review in this way. It will work. It should. So you can go through this. Okay, so in this way we have see the IAM user. Okay, uh, I think we have to stop here. In this way, if this video help you, please give it a thumbs up, like it, okay, and comment your doubts and feedback below, and subscribe to the channel for more AWS and cybersecurity tutorials. Okay, if you get any doubt or have any problem, please do comment. I will give options definitely. Okay, so see you in next video. Thank you.